Welcome to Placements Nepal, your one-stop destination for the hottest job opportunities in the tech industry. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates. Alright folks, today we have an incredible job opportunity for all you talented web developers out there. Frog's job is looking for a skilled React. So if you have a passion for creating stunning user interfaces and love working collaboratively, this might just be the perfect fit for you. Now, let's dive into the exciting responsibilities that come with this position. Working collaboratively with your team to understand and deliver the company's business goals. Crafting new user interfaces using power of React.js. Designing modern, highly responsive web-based user interfaces that will leave users in awe. Optimizing components for peak performance across various web-capable devices and browsers. Developing clean, elegant, and reusable code that's not just impressive but also easy to maintain and extend. Ensuring top-notch product quality by creating and implementing automated tests. Integrating third-party libraries and APIs into the application to enhance functionality. Detecting and resolving pesky bugs and performance bottlenecks. Embracing innovation and working closely with your team to deliver cutting-edge solutions. Constantly staying up to date with the latest trends and technologies in the industry to keep your skills sharp. Now, before you get too excited, let's talk about the essential requirements for this position. A minimum 3 years of solid experience as a full-time professional web developer, at least 2 years of hands-on experience with React.js, showcasing your expertise in this powerful framework, strong proficiency in JavaScript including DOM manipulation and the JavaScript object model. If you are familiar with TypeScript, then that will be upper hand for you. It will definitely make you show and stand out from the crowd. Now let me tell you why this opportunity is a game changer. Not only you will be working with a talented and passionate team, but you will also be working as a part of exciting projects that will challenge you. Your hard work will be recognized through key performance indices like number of successful projects, project duration, complexity tackled, and quality of your work. So, how can you apply to this job? I have provided the application link in the description of this video. Click on that and you will come to this LinkedIn interface. So this is an easy apply. So if you click on this easy apply, all of your details from LinkedIn will be pulled and your resume will be pulled. If you haven't given the resume, upload your resume and click on submit button. Then your resume will get submitted. If you get selected, they will revert back you to the same email ID that you have given in your resume. That's it for today. If you think you have got what it takes to excel in this role, don't wait around. Click on the link in the description below to apply now. And remember to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest job opportunities and career tips. Thanks for tuning in and I'll catch you in the next video. Good luck and happy job hunting.